Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. So in today's video, we'll be looking at two file compression tools or utilities that we can use in Linux to reduce the size of files. So these are also referred to as file packaging utilities that we use to reduce the size of a file in Linux. Now, before we start working using the tools, we'll need to create a file that we'll be working with. So I'm going to use a utility called dd to create the file. So it's dd input file is going to be dev0. And then the output file, I'll call it 200 file. The size of file is going to be determined by the block size. Let's say a block size of 1 megabyte, and then the count, let's do 200. So that should give us a 200 megabit file, which is comprised of just zeros because of this. Press enter, and the file has been created. We can do ls-l to view the file here. And as we can see, the file size is 200 megabytes. Now, the first utility we'll be looking at for doing file compression is gzip. And to use the tool, you just write the command is gzip, and then we'll specify the file name here. Now it should be compressed. We'll list the file size. We have to add the gz at the end. And as we can see here, the file has been reduced to about 200. So this one was 200 megabytes. This is 200 kilobytes. Now we'll need to, since this is a file packaging utility, the original file disappears. If I do ls-l, we can see here the original file is not there. All we have is the compressed file. So if we need to get our original file back, we can unzip the file. The command for that is gunzip, and then the name of the file here, on ls again, and the file is back, and the size has also increased again. The second tool is the bzip2, and to use the command, we'll write bzip2, and then we have to specify file, and now we can look at the file size, ls-l. So it's a .bz2. Now the file size is much smaller than even before. We're seeing it's roughly 200 bytes, which is quite small compared to what we were able to get with the gzip utility. Again, this one, we will lose our file, and in order to get it back, we'll have to do uncompress that file. The command for uncompressing this file is going to be bzip2, and then the name of the file here, bzip2. And we should get our file back here with the original size. So that's pretty much it. Those are the two easy tools you can use to compress files in Linux. So I hope this information has been useful. I'll see you all again in my next video. Thanks. Bye.